Hi, Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things affordable beauty and more. Today I thought I would use the Seint Makeup, and I thought I would try it again. I've only tried it one other time, and it's been a while since I've tried it, and it was a little challenging for me last time I tried it, so I thought I would give it another try. So let's just jump right in. So I'm starting with my Seint Makeup palette, and I just have a small palette with 4 pods in it, and it comes with the contour and the foundation shades. These 2 are foundation shades, and this is the highlighter and concealer. So this is what comes in my particular palette. And then I also have for cheeks, I have this little one, Hollywood, I believe is what this is. And this is for your cheeks and your lips and your eyeshadow. So we're going to give this a try. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we'll give it a try and see if my finger will warm it up and it'll spread any better. So let's just try this. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead here. I'm going to put a little bit around my jawline to disguise my chubby jawline. A little bit under my chin here. And then I'm going to take some between my fingers and I'm just going to rub them together. And I'm going to bring it down the side of my nose to make my nose look nice and slender. So I have all my contour on. So next I'm going to place my highlighter. And so I'm going to take this highlighter cream and we're going to put it down the front of our nose, on the cupid's bow, forehead, chin. So we'll put that there, and then we also want to put highlighter under our cheekbone. So we'll put that under the contour, and my hair is getting into everything. So next we're going to try the blush, and of course I'm using the little palette that has the lips, eyes, and blush in there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll hold that up there so you can see it better. If you can tell the color better. It's kind of a peachy pink, sort of a peachy pink. But it does match, pretty well matches my shirt that I have on. So, okay, so we'll just see how this does. We're going to place this on our cheeks, up here. Okay. So we've got that on our cheeks. And now I'm going to attempt to put the foundation on. So we're going to start with we're going to place some up here. I'm going to place some up here. I'm going to place some down here. I'm going to place some down there. And so what I understand is this is not supposed to be, you don't have to put it on perfectly. So we'll just see how well that works. And then up here, I'm going to put it up here, put it up there. Okay. And I'm going to start with the contour, and I'm going to blend that up as to bring everything up so nothing's dragging down on your face. And now I'm going to do a little bit more highlighting, or put this concealer or highlighter, put a little bit under my eyes, where the darkness is. And right now, I can tell that it's settling into my lines. See that? Right there. Seems to be settling into my lines. And what do I think about it? Well, I do think it sinks into your fine lines. Even though it's cream, this is cream, but it still sinks into my fine lines. And I guess where it's been setting a while, it's not as easy to spread, even though I tried with my finger. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to try this for the eyeshadow and lips. And I already have my lips on. I actually used my new product, which is City Lips. They just recently had a sale where they had 2 for the price of 1. So I bought 2 of those, and I put this on my lips to go ahead and get them to be moist and plump up. So let's try this and see how this does on our lips. It's a pretty color. Really pretty color. Okay, let's try to put a little bit up here for eyeshadow and see how this does. And I got too much in the corner there. We don't want that all in the corner. And the other side. I was a beauty consultant for many years. I actually worked for Avon for several years. And then I was a pharmacy beauty influencer. And back in the day, I worked for Beauty Control. And we learned all kinds of beauty techniques and colors, and the right colors, the warm and the cool. And I learned all of that. And of course, now I'm still currently a partner with Bellamy Beauty. And from my beauty experience in my past, I know quite a bit, but I still am learning a lot as I go along, trying different products and different techniques. And so I'm still learning just like everyone else, but that's what I'm here for, is to show you how how I apply my makeup, and to show you what products look like, to test them and review them. Okay, let me just clean this out from the inside corner of my eye there. And so I actually took off my contour from my nose, so I'm going to put a little bit more back on there. Okay. So now I'm just going to take this brush, I'm just going to kind of circle that in a little bit on my eyes. I want to wants to thin out. I don't want it to be so bright. I just want it to be like a subtle color. So that gives it just a little subtle color there. So that's everything with Seint Makeup. The lips, the eyes, the face. It's not bad. I don't love it, but I don't hate it either. I need to get the rest of my makeup on and then we'll just see. So there we have the final look. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will consider liking and subscribing and ringing that little bell so that you can get notifications of all my new videos. I love you, and I'll see you next time.